Welcome back, everyone. In the last few videos, we learned how to target specific classes, class hierarchies, and entire packages in the declaring type pattern. Now, in this video, we are going to learn something very powerful and very practical. What if you want to target all classes that end with a specific word? For example, all classes ending with service, user service, order service, payment service. All classes ending with repository, user repository, order repository. All classes ending with controller, user controller, order controller. This is called suffix pattern matching in the declaring type. And it is extremely useful in real applications, because naming conventions are everywhere. In Spring Boot, service classes end with service. Repositories end with repository. Controllers end with controller. That is the standard naming convention. And with suffix pattern matching, one point cut expression can cover your entire service layer, or your entire repository layer, automatically. Without listing every class. Without package constraints. Just by matching the class name suffix. Let's see how it works. Follow my screen. Alright, for this demo, let's keep it simple. I am not going to create repositories or full layers right now. We will do that properly when we build a complete project later in this series. For now, let's just create a simple class to demonstrate the suffix pattern. I am going to create employee service, but in a different package, com.gyan.darpan.processor. Adding a method to employee service. Alright, now let's create one more class, interview processor. This class does not end with service. It ends with processor. Let me rename user service to user processor as well. Alright, let's inject both employee service and interview processor into the controller. Alright, let's create one single endpoint that calls all classes. Call all our classes, user processor, order service, payment service, employee service, and interview processor, from this API. Alright, let's open logging aspect and update the pointcut expression. Removing the current declaring type and writing a new one, using the suffix pattern. Follow my screen carefully. Let's build this step by step. First, we want to match classes ending with service. So we write *service. The asterisk means any class name, as long as it ends with service. But *service alone only covers the default package. We need to include the full package path. Second, add the package path before it. But we also want to cover subpackages. Remember what we learned last video. So we use *double dot before *service. Alright, look at the screen carefully. Let's break down what is selected. *double dot *service. This is the declaring type. And it has two important parts. *double dot. This tells Spring, search inside all packages and all subpackages. The asterisk at the start means any root package. The double dot means any depth. Together, it covers everything. *service. This is the filter. From all those classes found, pick only the ones whose name ends with service. So Spring first casts a wide net, every package, every subpackage. Then applies the filter, only classes ending with service survive. Let's start the application. Let's hit the API. Alright, look at the console carefully. User processor ran, no aspect log. User processor ends with processor, not service. So our current pointcut expression completely ignored it. Now, look at what comes next in the console. Aspect fired for order service. Why? Because order service ends with service, and our suffix pattern matches it. Next, payment service. Aspect fired. Next, employee service. Aspect fired. And finally, interview processor. No aspect log. Interview processor ran silently. Because it ends with processor, not service. Same package as employee service. But different suffix, completely ignored. Alright, now let's extend our scenario even further. So far, our current expression matches any class whose name ends with service. See user processor on the screen. Currently, it ends with processor, so our pointcut ignores it. But user processor extends base service, and base service ends with service. So the question is, should user processor be intercepted? It is a subclass of a class that ends with service. But its own name does not end with service. With our current expression, ignored the user processor. Because the pattern checks the direct class name, and user processor does not end with service. But what if we want to say, intercept any class ending with service, and any class that extends those service classes, regardless of the subclass name? Alright, let's open logging aspect and make one small change. We already know how to cover subclasses. We learned this with the plus operator earlier. Now, we simply apply the same concept here. We add plus immediately after *service in the expression. And now, the expression covers any class ending with service and any class extending those service classes. Let's start the application. Let's hit the API. This time, the aspect fired for user processor. Previously, it ran without any advice being triggered. But this time, the advice executed before the method call. Why? Because user processor extends base service, and since base service ends with service, it satisfies our current pointcut expression. Therefore, the aspect is applied to user processor as well. Order service, aspect fired. Payment service, aspect fired. Employee service, aspect fired. And finally, interview processor, no aspect. Interview processor does not end with service, and it does not extend any class whose name ends with service. What if you want to combine two things? Specific package, only classes under com.gyan.darpan.service. And suffix filter, only classes ending with service. Not the entire application. Just one specific package tree. And within that, only service classes. As you can see, we're currently using asterisk in the package section. It means the pointcut can match classes from any package. Now, if you want to restrict to a specific package, you simply replace that asterisk with the actual package name. Follow my screen as I make this change. The asterisk is replaced with com.gyan.darpan.service. And now, Spring will only look for service classes inside com.gyan.darpan.service and its subpackages. Let's start the application. Hit the API. Now, take a look at the logs. For user processor, order service, and payment service, the aspect was triggered successfully. But when we move to employee service and interview processor, the aspect is not triggered. Why? Because our pointcut is now restricted to a specific package. While user processor, order service, and payment service belong to that package, employee service and interview processor are located outside of it. As a result, they are excluded from the match, and the advice never executes for them. Alright, now it is your turn. We covered suffix pattern in depth today. Now, I want you to experiment with the remaining wildcard patterns yourself. Prefix wildcard. Target all classes whose name starts with a specific word. For example, all classes starting with payment. Next contains wildcard. Target classes whose name contains a specific word anywhere in the name. Next single character wildcard. The question mark wildcard matches exactly one character. Combined patterns. Mix multiple wildcards together for very precise targeting. Try all of these. Observe the console. Share your findings in the comments. And that brings us to the end of this video. Today we covered suffix pattern matching in the declaring type. If this video helped you, please like it. Got questions or results from the self-practice? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.